The source says official Bkacj read book shirt in her senior year, leading me to believe she dropped out in early 2005. The main problem with this is the source says the school yearbook wrongly indicates she graduated 2004, long enough for her to have started dating her now husband post-incident. This is an interesting bit. Wikipedia and its source says she would have official Bkacj red book shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Official Bkacj red book shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. As far as I official Bkacj read book shirt didn't, despite being listed as one of the victims, while the other minors did. Entirely possible they were dating by then though. She dropped out of high. Other product.